What's the meaning of brocaded? Brocaded. Brocaded.
Brocaded. Brocaded. The term brocaded refers to a type of textile design in which raised patterns or figures are woven into the fabric using colored threads. The result is a richly textured and ornate surface that can be used for a variety of purposes, including clothing, upholstery, and decorative accents. Brocaded fabrics are often associated with luxury and high-end fashion, and can be found in a wide range of styles and colors to suit different tastes and preferences. From delicate floral designs to bold geometric shapes, brocaded fabrics offer a sophisticated and elegant option for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour to their wardrobe or home decor.